Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, we learned a lot about BODMAS. We made so many videos, we watched so many videos. We saw what we mean by BODMAS. We saw how to use it particularly with brackets. In brackets, we typecasted it from left to right. Again, we typecasted it with nested brackets. Now all this is enough. Let's actually deal with it with a real-time example of practice set 26, question number 3 of standard 7 of Maharashtra State Board. Name of the lesson is operations on rational number. So let's go. See, the question is 140 divided by into the square bracket into the bracket minus 11 multiplied by minus 3 minus into the bracket minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1 bracket close bracket close. Now students, let's first try to find out which kind of example is. So is it nesting of brackets? So let's scan the example from left to right. For nesting of bracket, every opening pair of bracket, every opening bracket should have a matching pair of closing bracket. So let's go. This is the opening bracket, opening one. Next one is opening one. Again that next one is closing one. So we know that the order of matching is LIFO. LIFO is last in first out. This bracket is last open, last in first out. Means this minus 11 is in one bracket. Clear? Again this bracket is open, it's not closed. Scan, this bracket is open. Now two brackets are open, this one and this one. Which one is open last? This is last in, so it will get first out. Okay, so next closing bracket is here, means this minus 3 is in this bracket. Again this bracket is open, the meaning is these two brackets are nested within this bracket. Clear? Come ahead. This bracket is open, two brackets are open, we found a closing bracket, but according to LIFO system, this is the matching pair. So minus 42 again is in one bracket. Come ahead. We found a closing pair. Means this bracket is closed over here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. These three brackets are within this bracket. Okay. Size, symbol doesn't matter. What matters? This order, last in first out. Okay. Then what is this next bracket? Actually students, this next bracket is nothing but a stupidity, a printing mistake, right? This bracket is extra. You can say either this one or this one is extra. If you rub anyone, if you rub this one, you will find that this square bracket is matching with this one, right? Or if you will rub the square, you will find that this bracket is matching with this square bracket. Means one extra bracket is there, which is the printing mistake in few books. Okay student, so what we have to do? Rub it. Okay, but I'm going to rub this inner one. Why? Because it looks like that these square brackets are looking similar, and for your understanding purpose they have printed this printing mistake. So instead of this closing bracket, I will keep the square closing bracket, which is looking matching to this square opening bracket. Okay friends, now this is perfect line example of nesting of brackets. So what we have to do? We have to find solve innermost brackets first. So this bracket, within it there is not another bracket. Within this bracket also there is not another bracket. Within this bracket there is also not another bracket. Means these three brackets, they are having same priority. Within this bracket, these three brackets are having same priority. So what we have to do? We have to solve them from left to right. So let's go for it. So again, which is equals to 140 divided by into the square bracket minus 11. What we have to do? With bracket, which operations do we have to do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division if it is given in the bracket, or removal of the bracket, which is one of the most important operation we learned in lesson of integers, right? So here we just have to remove the bracket. After removal of the bracket, it will be minus 11. Okay. Now this multiplication symbol, I am writing it as it is out of the bracket, and I am dealing with bracket, not with multiplication. So I have written this multiplication as it is. Now minus 3. So in the bracket there is only one number, so what I have to do? Remove the bracket. And in the case of removal of the bracket, what is the solid rule? The rule is, if symbol out of the bracket is negative, then change the symbol of the number inside the bracket, otherwise don't change. So here out of the bracket, no negative symbol, so we can't change symbol of minus 3, it will be minus 3 as it is. Okay. Now again for next bracket, there is only one number in the bracket, so we have to remove the bracket. For removal of the bracket, look at the symbol out of the bracket. Negative symbol is there, means what we have to do? Change the symbol of the bracket inside the number. So this negative 42 will turn out into positive 42 divided by 14 as it is, minus 1 as it is. Okay. You know, we have to apply BODMAS on each and every step. So we have to apply it on this step also. So here one bracket is there, so we have to solve that bracket first, means we have to solve whatever operations are there in that bracket first. So let us see what are there. Minus, multiply, minus, plus, divide, minus. So these many operations are there. So which one will have highest priority according to BODMAS? Division and multiplication will have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So here is one multiplication, one division, so they are having higher priority than addition and subtraction. Again, among those whichever is coming on left, that we will solve first, means we will perform this multiplication first. So let's go. So that is equals to 140 divided by multiplication. Which two numbers it is multiplying? Minus 11 multiplied by minus 3. So answer is 11 into 3, 33. Minus minus plus is the symbol in the case of multiplication. What we are doing here? Multiplication of integers. So minus 11 into minus 3 is equals to plus 33. See students, what happened with multiplication? Automatically these two negative symbols vanished. So please remember, whenever we are dividing or multiplying integers, automatically few symbols vanishes, right? So please keep in mind that I am going to explain later on in same video. So 11 into 3, 33, plus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Okay, so that is equals to 140 divided by plus 33. In this, division is having highest priority, so let's divide. 42 divided by 14, 3, plus 42 plus 14 plus 3. So 33 plus 3 minus 1, which is nothing but 140 divided by, into the bracket, addition subtraction, leftmost first, 36 minus 1, which is nothing but 140 divided by 36 minus 1, 35. Now again there is only one number in the bracket, so we have to remove the bracket. So 140 divided by, symbol out of the bracket is not negative, so we can directly write this 35 without changing the symbol. So the question is 140 divided by 35, which is nothing but 4. So 4 is our final answer. Okay students, now in this example, look at these two steps carefully. I am going to write it separately. First step, minus 11 multiplied by minus 3. After removal of the bracket, this minus 11 and minus 3 doesn't change, right? So they remain as it is, minus 11 into minus 3. Okay, and after that we multiplied that, which is nothing but plus 33. So students, what would have been happened? Instead of removal of the bracket, we would have been multiplied them directly, minus 11 into minus 3. Answer will be plus 33. Answer would have been plus 33. Similar is the case with this step also. 140 divided by plus 35. We remove the bracket, so number changed out into 140 divided by plus 35. Is there any difference in both operations? No, because this is 1 plus 140, this is plus 140, this is plus 35, this is plus 35. There is not any change at all. So here division is 4, and if you will divide this 140 by 35, here also division is 4. So what is the moral of this story? Moral of the story is, whenever there is multiplication or division out of the bracket instead of addition or subtraction, as here is subtraction, right? So whenever there is multiplication or division out of the bracket, then instead of removing the bracket, you can directly perform the multiplication or division if there is only one number in the bracket. Okay, if there is only one number in the bracket and we have to perform multiplication or division of those brackets, then directly perform multiplication or division instead of removing the bracket, because it doesn't make any kind of change. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.